In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can merge cells in Google Spreadsheets. So let's go quick into the process. First is you have to open your Google Spreadsheet. So I have this one from here and I have created a table for you. So here we need to merge B, cell B and then cell 1. So how can we do that? First is we just need to simply select the cells that we're going to merge. So drag the cursor to B and then to 1. Now, at the ribbon, you will find all these tabs. Simply click on the Format tab, and here you'll find the option Merge Cells. You have her Merge All or Merge Vertically. Now, let's go with Merge Vertically. And then click on OK. And that's it. And now let's try for this one. 5, row 5, and then this one. Go back to Format. Click on Merge Cells. You have her Merge Horizontally. Click on that. And then just simply click on OK. And that's it. That's how you can merge cells in your Google Spreadsheet. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.